got to get all this onto this thing. Let's do it. Alright, so we're just going to start attacking the pile piece by piece. I'm going to go from the smallest things to the biggest things. So we'll start with these bad boys. Now all of these mods are really easy. I mean, anyone should be able to do them with really basic tools. Starting off with some rear swing arm spools. Alright, what's next on the pile? Handlebar rises, huh? 1-inch handlebar rises. So apparently shouldn't have to do any modifications to any of the cables. Just get a little bit higher so it's a bit more comfortable when you're standing up. Pretty basic. Just 2 little spaces, some extended bolts. Stay. Ugh, that just squirted. There's water in that. What the hell? It's not good. Yep. Might need the impact gun. Ooh. Looks like there's some kind of anti-seize on the. Might steal a little bit onto the new bolts. Tighten those in a sec because I want to make sure they're dead across. Crack this behemoth first, I think. Squirt it again. Yeah. Heaps of slack on the wires. Sweet. That's with the 1-inch risers installed right there. So far we've only needed 3 tools. Let's see how this feels. Oh yeah. Now we've got to fix the other issue, these pegs. Suppose we should do this next then. Now this little bad boy is for the old coolant expansion tank. Guessing the mounts behind this. Looks like it's just 4 bolts holding it. Just backed off these 3 little 8 mils here. I should be able to just slide the covering behind that. Just don't lose this spacer that sits behind this. Now the only part that seems to contact the frame is this bent section here. So I'm going to put the foam in here. Might have to go on the flat face. Seems to fit pretty well. I'll just trim up this excess foam. There's a little closer look of what it looks like. Just a little cover to help stop any rocks or sticks poking into that coolant bottle. Sweet, that's 3 down. I think we've got 7 to go. What is next on the pile? Let's do the pegs, eh? Now, as any 390 adventure owner may be aware, these pegs have about a 15-degree tilt forward and they're quite small. So we're going to swap these out to some flat, wide ones. Just the old penny boy. Keep the bits in order. Now I did channel my 3rd great granddad. Shout out to Ling Du from China. All these parts that I'm using today were the best quality ones that I could find from AliExpress, because I'm trying to keep this a real budget adventurer. Nice and flat. Double wide surprise. Alright, do the other side. Done. That's 4 down. And I guess while we're here, we'll check on. Get rid of this. Something nice and orange. Color match is pretty spot on. Impressive. It's perfect. The original master cylinder guard is just a piece of plastic, so this one's like 3 mil steel. A bit of orangey to the piece. Next up is headlight guard. How do I even fit this? There is this little trim here. Oh, let's see if we have to break something to get it. I have a concern. Oh, never mind, hiding in the box. Headlight protected. Now, let's swap this for this. I'll do a cold start of the old one and a cold start of the new one. I'm not going to limiter bash it while it's still cold. I'm going to do a shakedown video in the next one, so if you want to hear it how it sounds when it's under load, check that one out. You say hello? Got the 2-year-old apprentice. Say hello. Apple flex. I didn't even start the bike up with the old exhaust on it, so I'm sure there's plenty of videos of that on the internet you can find. But I will start it with the new one.
I'm hoping too.
Oh, thank you. Oh, nice, nice. Good job.
Gonna be well. Gonna be well.
It's gonna be loud.
Gonna be well.
You don't want me to be loud?
How do you say hello?
Man, I sure hope this fits. I have to chop this pipe a little bit. I would don't put apple all over my bike. Oh, and one more thing before I start. DB killer. See you later. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Next, we gotta switch up this luggage situation. So we're gonna install some luggage racks and some soft bags. solid little rack. Check it out. That's how she's looking so far. I think we've only got 2 things left to throw on it. Nice. To finish off the luggage, 2 little 9-litre waterproof bags. Sweet. Sweet. I need to tidy up the buckles a little bit and get them all fine-tuned. Throw the back ones on, but get a little bit of storage where I can fit some lunch, some extra water packs. Should be mint. I'll strap my hiking bag on here. Alright guys, well that about wraps it up for this one. The 10th mod would be this little tool bag and some fancy little orange straps. But I need to kit the tool bag up and find a good spot to put it on the bike. So 10 quick and easy mods, all done in an afternoon with some basic hand tools that anyone could do. If anyone needs a link to any of the parts that I used, just ask in the comments. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one.